this wedding season, most of us like to wear strapless gowns, and the underarm darkness can ruin our look. A lot of us are conscious about the underarms because they are too dark, patchy, and pigmented. But today I'm back with some of the products that can fix your problem. Dark underarms can be an influence of hormones, and the care is necessary because the skin in there is very sensitive. Another causes are tight clothes, improper shaving techniques, or lack of exfoliation that can make delicate underarm skin rough. Acanthosis nigricans is the scientific term that is used for dry and dark patches of the skin that usually appears in the armpits or neck. If you have dark shadows around your armpit area, you probably don't feel comfortable while wearing anything that would show it. Treating dark underarms can be tricky, but today we have tons of options like over the counter products that can be effective as long as they don't contain any harsh chemical or toxic ingredients. When we talk about natural and intimate care, one of the brands that comes in my mind is Safi. I got their underarm kit. It contains 4 of their products. So the first product that I'm going to be talk about is Safi No Mess Razor. It contains 5 units in one packet. According to a study, underarm hair can hold bacteria and shaving or waxing can reduce the odor. Waxing the underarms can be painful, expensive and time consuming, and for women like us, for me, it's not possible to visit salon on every 15th or 20th day, so I prefer shaving. For clean and smooth skin at home in no time, I prefer Safi No Mess Razor. Is a painless and inexpensive method of hair removal. The shape and size of the product is specially designed for armpits. Additionally, it's very easy to handle and easy to carry. So while using razor, you need to follow certain steps to make your underarms glowing and bright. The second step is underarm exfoliator. Too much oil clogs pores, pimples, and build up dead skin can result in dark underarms. To overcome this problem, the 2-in-1 formulation helps in deep cleansing and exfoliates the skin. It is packed with phytonutrients and vitamins that support detoxification, nourishment, cell renewal, and tighten pores. This particular exfoliator contains alpha-arbutin, aloe vera, niacinamide, and kojic acid that helps in brightening the underarm area. Next up is this Safi Underarm Depigmentation Serum. It's formulated with the goodness of the aloe vera, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, and lactic acid that helps in improving the skin tone, removes dark spots and pigmentation while maintaining the pH. The last step of the underarm regime is this underarm antiperspirant deo cream. It reduces sweat and controls odor and brightens up the area and has a long-lasting fragrance. I have checked the ingredients of all of these products. They are quite clean, natural and dermatologically tested. I'm very impressed by their ingredient list. It's quite clean, guys. It's safe because it's scent-free. I have been using Safi products for a long time, like their face razors and intimate wash. I'm very impressed by the brand. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.